Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will use additional JQL operators and keywords to write more powerful queries. So let's get started. Go to Issues, search for Issues, and switch to Advanced Search so that you can type JQL queries. The first operator that we want to look at is in. So in is an operator that compares field with values in the list. Okay, so for example, you want to find issues that are assigned to either John or Mary. Okay, so you can use a query like assignee in John and then comma, provide the second user Mary. Okay, and you see a little tick here, the the green tick. That means the syntax of this query is correct and it will return the results. So hit enter and it will list the results. All right. Now, in internally is a bunch of OR. So it's a compound query and connected with bunch of ORs. Okay, so it's similar to saying assignee is John or assignee is Mary. Now, the second keyword that we want to look at is not in. Not in is just opposite of in. So whatever results that you are getting as part of assignee in John and Mary, if you want to negate that, or you want to get the results for which assignee are not John or Mary, then you just change in to not in. So just change to not in and enter, and it will list all the issues for which the assignee is not John or Mary. Now, third operator is was. Was is used to find issues that had previous state or any previous assignee or previous status. Was can be used with fields which are changeable, like assignee, statuses, etc. Okay, so for example, you want to find issues for which assignee was John. Okay, just change it to was and say assignee was John. Okay, it will list the issues for which assignee was John. Now, along with was, you can use other operators like after, before, and on, which will give you accurate dates. So for example, you want to find issues for which assignee was John on a particular date. Okay, so you can choose on and then provide the date. Okay, so for example, I'm looking for issues for which assignee was John on 15th of April. Just provide the date and hit enter, and will list the issues for which the assignee was John on that particular date. Similarly, you can use after and before. So for example, you want to find issues for which assignee was John before a particular date, you can use before, or you want to find issues for which assignee was John after a particular date, you can use after. And all these keywords, was, after, before, can be used with any of the fields that you're looking for. So was can be used only with fields that are changeable, and which could be status as well. So for example, at the moment we are looking at assignee, you want to see status was open. Okay, and then you can use on. So status was open on particular date, you can provide the date. I'll say 21, and you can see it will list the status, the issues for which the status was open on a particular, the date. So that is pretty much all about um, keywords, or the JQL query, searching with keywords and operators. In the next session, we will learn more about searching with, like functions, states, and text. Thank you.